Hey everybody, it's me, Crafty Coop. Welcome back. And today we are going to be picking a transparent lock with a ridge or a poker called a rake. And here's why. I'll show you why it's called the rake. And this is your tensioner. You put the tensioner at the thick part, like that, then turn it towards the spring or where the end of your middle piece is. Turn it like that. Then turn it upside down. Take your rake, put it in the skinny part, facing
lift it up so they can see it.
All these notches right here. All the notches.
There you go.
Then stick it in about right there. Take your tensioner, push it a little bit, and then here's why they call it a rake. You see the things moving in there?
We'll show them the things moving. So inside here, that's your pins. And every time you move that back and forth, they rake.
Yeah. And then once you get really good at it, like me, you can do it fast like this. And undo your lock. Come on. Yeah, you might have to do it a couple times, but once you get used to it, you can do it in no time. Oh, I see. My bad.
Was you turning it the wrong way? Yep, that'll happen, won't it?
Now it should work.
Sometimes it's hard to get.
Yeah.
Let me show them.
Okay, should be here. You start scraping. It's right.
Yep, you got it. That's the rake method, right?
Mm-hmm. There is also another method which I am unfortunately terrible at.
What's the other method?
The other method is a single. It's where you use a single pick that only has one of those
One little
edges.
tip on it.
Yeah. Then you have to push the pin singly. So, yeah. To do it, you gotta insert it like my dad just did. And
then that's how you reset the pins.
to reset the pins, you just,
Take it out.
yeah. Take it out and put it back in to reset the pins.
Very cool.
And to unlock it, you have to line all of those little pins up.
Yeah, let's see if they can see that. They all have to be the same height, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Very cool, Coop. All right.
So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.